So I show you today the crudité made from beets, apple and sauerkraut. I think these are all ingredients which you can store easily at home. So you start with the sauerkraut, give it in your bowl, then a little bit of oil. Perfect if you have oils with polyunsaturated fatty acids. So this is our oil mixture, but any nut oil would also be very, very good for it. Then the beetroot. Just remove the root. It's already washed, don't worry. And you grate it. If the skin is okay, you take it with the skin. If you have pieces like here, just cut them out and it's perfect. And then you take the beet with the skin and grate it just in the bowl. So. Stir. Then, to sweeten everything a tiny bit, you need the apple. I love to grate it a little bit more big, as it's not that hard like the beetroot. You need normally no vinegar, as the sauerkraut is sour enough. What you can add are some fresh herbs, if they are not available at the moment. Dried herbs, a little bit of mustard if you like. If you like it more the Asian style, a tiny bit of ginger or roasted sesame oil, just to change the flavor. And that's all, that's it. So, then you arrange it on your plate. If you have some fresh greens, or if you want to chop an apple, if not, some walnuts are very, very nice with that. Bon appetit.